A few years ago, I've switched over to Sony cameras. I used to shoot with Nikon, I've shot with Canon as well. Pretty much any of the main brand manufacturers are going to be creating great cameras these days. My favorite so far right now is Sony though. They have great still photography cameras as well as video cameras. And so just a few years ago, I did switch all of my setup, both video and stills, over to Sony. So I went with the Sony A7R4A. So it's kind of Sony's latest iteration of the A7R4. This is Sony's 61 megapixel full frame sensor mirrorless camera. I kind of went away from shooting with DSLRs and merged into mirrorless. The nice thing about mirrorless cameras is when you're actually exposing the image, you're getting a live preview both through the viewfinder and the back screen of what the exposure is going to look like. So when you're trying to dial in your base level exposure for your bracketing and any of your flash shots, you can see it in live view without having to take a picture and review it after. As you're changing your shutter speed, you're actually able to see that exposure in real time. So it's really helpful for interior photography as well as architectural photography. So A7R4A, this camera is going to be compatible with the Canon tilt shift lenses by using the Sigma adapter. All of this equipment is going to be linked below this video in the description. So you could go ahead and click on any of those links, find out more information and purchase it through those links if you don't already have a camera set up. Photographers, if you could learn one thing about architectural and interior photography, what would that be? When I first started shooting interiors, the main thing I struggled with was learning how to properly light the scene so that the natural colors and tones of the space looked accurate, then learning the editing techniques needed to seamlessly blend all of those layers together for a natural, editorial final image. If you need more help with your architectural and interior photography, learning my workflow of how to frame the shot, light the scene, edit the images, and the business behind photography, check out our course. Thanks for watching. In the first module, we'll dive into the fundamental principles of interior and architectural photography. You'll understand why your role is pivotal in the commercial, residential, and hospitality market, and how your lens can be the key to unlocking a space's true potential and a valuable asset to your client's marketing. Module 2 is all about the tools of the trade. We'll explore the must-have equipment from cameras to lenses to lighting that make your photos truly shine. You'll discover how to create captivating images, whether you're shooting interiors or exteriors. Module 3 is going to get you up to speed on the best camera settings for capturing accurate, clear, and well-exposed images. Then in Module 4, we'll go over how to assess natural light as well as practical lighting. We'll then cover how to introduce additional lighting with flash to create dynamic and beautiful images that best showcase a space. Now let's talk about composition. Module 5 will teach you how to frame shots that tell a story. From capturing the flow of a room to highlighting architectural details, you'll master the art of composition in interior and architectural photography. In Module 6, we'll guide you through the editing process. You can do everything absolutely perfect during the photo shoot, but if you don't know how to correctly edit those images, it will all be in vain. Learn how to enhance your images, correct color, and create stunning photos that set your portfolio apart. We'll show you how to composite multiple ambient exposures with flash layers and then turn them into the final deliverable image that will wow your clients. You'll be able to use this course to provide a service that's so valuable to your clients that they're willing to pay a premium for the photos you're delivering. Photographing interiors, both residential and commercial, is one of the best niches in the photography world to earn a full-time income. We'll dive into the marketing strategies tailored for interior and architectural photographers. You'll discover how to build a standout portfolio, attract clients, and create additional income by licensing images that you've already captured. If you're ready to position yourself as the go-to photographer in your market, this is going to get you there. But the real magic happens when you put it all together. Join us for Mastering Interiors and Architectural Photography, and not only will you gain the skills to create stunning images, but you'll also be getting a behind-the-scenes look at my very own six-figure business. and the secrets to taking your business to the next level.